Fonanihin Shilchhara Buddha Waterfall, an ecotourism destination na kinleng at samay pachatol tiang ang just take a look, guys. Ay, alam po yun alam po yun jangan maku inham na alam ma mula may ku taga merel mo no ni sarek ku nasuk mo tebe alam po yun din ku mara kun we'll go that side, you know. So yeah, oh man, literally this like it's so sunny right now, but what else can we say? We'll do what we gotta do. Whoa. Nhìn thôi ô. Butterfly of Tripura. Andoi. It's so like actually the weather is cold. I mean it's hot, you know. I'm not so hot right now more than before. Now it's kinda like we can say average, you know. Still like woo! We finally reached to the destination, to our destination, baby. Yo, but man, yo, the waterfall is less, man. Waterfall, waterfall, kentung ta. Waterfall. That's the waterfall. As you guys can see, we're gonna go up high, you know, and we're gonna check it out a bit. Yo. This is the Buddhist like statue, you know, guys. See, like I say, this is a Buddhist statue. Yo, it's huge, man. The statue. Wow, man, it's beautiful, you know. The water is less, like I said. Those are my friends. View strong. Tuyên zoom mong ninh ta, yo, look at that, man. Literally, yo. Nin parang paroy. Yo, I guess we can still go upside the side, you know. Okay, even me, man, I want to go, you know, and swim. Yo, it's hot, it's hot. All right, guys, I will go and swim, even me, okay? So, see you later. Yo, check this out, baby. Wow. Oh. Wow. as you guys can see, it's definitely awesome, man. It's worth to come, you know. It's not far from Kumargan also. Yo, man, yo. It is very, very like awesome, y'all. The weather in here, you know. And even like the wind is so good, and but you know, like the waterfall is not so strong. As you guys can see, it's not. I mean, it's not so high also, like, you know. Yeah, man, it's definitely worth it. You guys can come if you want to. From Kumargan, it's not so far. It's something like 20-30 kilometers. I think so. If I'm not wrong, then, you know. It's definitely awesome. Alright, guys, I will see you after this. Done. Now we're gonna head back to our hometown. Yo, it's awesome, man. Imo, ila ko lang mo. Time to go back home. As you guys can see, the waterfall is in rural areas, so you know the way, the road and all is like an off-roading type. Because as we all know, government doesn't give a shit about the rural peoples. Even though this is a tourist place, just take a look at the roads, guys. Literally, man, like, oh my god, how the tourist peoples and all will come, man, in here. Because the road is literally bad in here, man. Yes, while on our way back home, we came across with some of our friends that heading to the waterfall side. As you guys can see, in these areas people are still living like in early days. Why I call it an early days? Because they are still living, you know, in a house building with bamboos and some kind of a long leaves. I don't know how they used to call it in English, but yes, in our language we call it a ngagitna. Yes, with the things and all, they still build it and they still live on that. You know, they don't have any like buildings built with bricks and wood. You know, it's so sad to see people are still living like this in the 20 era. see the road, guys. The road is absolutely amazing. In this off-roading road, my brother Jeremy enjoyed it the most because he rode an Himalayan bike. So for him then it's very easy, you know, to travel on this, to ride on these roads and all, because for a Himalayan biker it is very comfortable, man, to ride on this off-roading roads and all. As you can see, just now a car came across with us heading to the waterfall as well. Just amazing, man. A car came on these roads and all, just wanting to see the waterfall. Even that car is also heading to the waterfall side. I think this is their local bazaar for the villager peoples and all. As you guys can see, right after coming from the waterfall side, we met a gift that is dusty roads, yo. After going to the waterfall side, we met the dusty road. Wow, what a beautiful gift. Listen to the sound of my baby Goku. This is India, man.
I never killed a nigga, but I'm ready to spit a hollow right on a person. And the curse, I'm about to merge on a nigga's turf. I'ma let a nigga burn, let him burn. And these pussies better learn when I pull up on my purse. Make a nigga see stars spinning, leave him on a curb. Burn him, burn him. All the shit I be making, I'ma burn him. Burn him.
guys, thank you so much for watching. If you are watching till here, then you know what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe and share. Alright everyone, it's your boy Gabriel Infang signing out. Peace.